Today I'm going to teach you how to recover your Wix website. If you've accidentally made changes to your site that you want to undo, or if something went wrong with your design, Wix's Site History feature allows you to restore previous versions of your website. This is incredibly useful for rolling back unwanted changes without losing all your work. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all your website management tools and is where you'll begin the recovery process. From here, you can preview the website settings and get an overview of your current site. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to recover. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the correct one before proceeding. On this page, locate the Edit Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to open your site in the editor. This will take you to the Wix website editor screen where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, start by locating the Site menu on the top left Settings menu and click on it. This menu is your gateway to various site configurations and powerful features that control your website's behavior and history. The menu will expand and present you with a list of all the settings and configurations you can adjust and use for your Wix website. Now click on Site History. This is where you'll recover site revision history if you somehow messed up your website structure and want to load a previous version. A small window will appear prompting you to confirm if you wish to see your site history. Go ahead and click on Go to Site History to proceed. From here, you'll see all the site revision history you have organized by date and time. This is essentially a timeline of every save point your website has created. Check the history dates carefully to identify the version you're looking for. If you wish to preview a specific website version before restoring it, simply click on the right arrow next to it. This will show you exactly what that version of your site looked like at that particular timestamp, allowing you to confirm it's the right one. Once you've found the version you wish to recover, simply click on Restore. This action will revert your website back to that save state, undoing any changes made after that point. Your website is now recovered to the version you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.